Tommy B here, all the way from sunny Brizzy. We're gonna go visit a friend, and he's someone I've been very well acquainted with for a long time. He's moved up to Brizzy because I'm originally from Sydney. So yeah, he's got a mad build happening and should be sick. Also great news, my engine is finally finished by the machine shop, but I'm away in Brisbane for the week. Yay. So hopefully by the end of the week, I'm gonna be picking up everything that I have for my engine build, and the 4G69 Turbo Mirage build is going to begin very shortly. I'm very excited. I'm gonna run you guys through the whole engine building process, everything like that. So yeah, super exciting times. And yeah, I'll pretty much be doing what my friend's done. And yeah, we'll have a look at what he's done and it should be sick. There's not gonna be too much happening in this video. We're just gonna have a little suss of my mate's stuff. And yeah, look, just wanted to check in and show you guys that yeah, things are happening, and just give you an update of the 4G69 build. So let's go. Look at this fucking dirty scoundrel fucking dog. Fucking dirty Danny in soggy ass Brisbane. Let's fucking, they call him Danny B. Danny Barra.
No, look at the fucking oh yeah, look in there. The cylinder's brand new, lad.
Washed, freshly washed, lad.
FG.
Fuck yeah, lad.
They're the pitted cams though, yeah, they're fucked.
Oh yeah? No bro, just mint. Fucking this cunt, how many fucking heads do you have?
Go, huh?
How many fucking motors do you have, you fucking scumbag?
Right, go sniff it inside the car, it's brand new.
Alright, I'm gonna go sniff. Alright, go for a sniff. We'll go through the sniff test.
Fucking brand new, bro.
It smells like leather.
Yeah,
is it?
It's brand new.
Fuck, it's pretty hectic. Is it suede? Suede leather? Nice.
Push to start and everything.
Nice. Yeah, so Danny's next build, fucking exposed. Barra, fucking 86 lad. Fucking little lad. Show us the skidder lad. What a fucking shit box.
It's actually not bad. It's a bit dirty at the minute. But
what's the plan with this, Danny D? What are you done? What are you done with this fucking thing, lad?
Too much, bro. Too much for a pack. I've got the hydro here.
Danny D's building up the fucking bazzy on the budget. The budget bazzy.
If a cop pulls you over, right, he's like, "Oh yeah, mate, how do you think drink tonight?" Looks fucking like just a standard shit box, but then
yeah, bro, it looks
got
standard.
A fucking jerky boy right there. Gotta lock the handbrake.
Oh yeah, true.
And then got the sneaky dual cups. Dual cups, man.
You can find the full videos on Danny D's profile. We'll link in the description.
Yeah, got the breed.
Fucking got the bride. Is that genuine?
No.
My motor's knocking hard tonight. Guess that service engine light was right on my dashboard.
Fucking you fucking dirty dog. Is that ADR approved, Daniel?
It's fucking dusty. I need to clean it.
Yeah, you do. All this effort and all this work, and he can't even keep his interior clean.
No shower, mate.
Yeah, what'd you say?
It's a goer, no shower.
She's a fucking goer, lad. Fuck me.
Got the sock in there so the dust, they kick up all the dust here, bro. Look at the floor.
Alright, give us a quick wrap. What is it? What's happening? What did you do? What's the fucking...
BF2 or FG rods, turbo pistons, SDF high-rise manifold, G3582R Gen 2 turbo, whistles like Herbert the Pervert, the ProFlow dog ass front forward-facing plenum. Got 1000cc injectors.
Got the anodized fuel pressure
got
red.
Atomic oil pump gears.
Got no ECU because you can't afford it.
No, because cunts will steal it.
That's actually fucking really smart. You heard it here first, lad. Just fucking take it in your back pocket and fucking you're sweet.
They can't steal the car or the ECU because the car won't start without it.
Yeah, bro. They'll have to unbolt the turbo, lad.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that, lad? Fucking crickets or some shit.
Oh, there's
fucking the dual Cali, bro. Dual California.
Yeah, and remounted. So, what I did, Tommy, I'll show you this.
Paint immaculate, cuz.
Tom, I'll show you this.
Fucking immaculate.
So, I remounted the battery.
Yeah, used to wrap.
Right?
Yeah.
So, because the Barras have shit grounding, I ran a ground from the battery in the boot to here, and then another ground. So it's all connected to the chassis, and then the ground to the engine.
Yeah, it's hectic.
So it's properly grounded. Big fat. Look at how fat the cable is, bro. Thick as.
I like that. Fucking, you got the oil pressure regulator.
It's not. That's a filter.
Is it?
Oil filter.
Where's your regulator, cunt?
Hey, it's in the turbo. Optimum battery, lad.
Yep, probably already flat. Nice, lad. Hectic.
Yeah. Like that video, that meme thing's like, nice. Have you seen that?
Yep. Nice.
Yeah, that's. Oh, I'm gonna fix these.
Fucking, bro, you would have thought that the BA, they'd fix the rust, bro. But no.
I just gotta fix these.
Bro, it's really not bad.
No,
It's honestly not fucking bad at
This
all.
is all rusted.
But I can imagine some fucking clapmobile, bro. This would just be far.
No, look here.
Yeah, she's a bit fucking. It's a bit crispy,
Got the
lad.
spare tire, lad.
Spare tire wheels, alright. Look, seemingly.
No, it's not a bad car, man.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
It just honestly needs to close the race spray and look, man.
Nice, Jawan. Do you want me to get your plate in it too, so people can fucking steal it? I'm kidding. No plates, no case for that.
I'm putting fucking all the goods, bro. Ross Racing,
Fucking hell, he's even replaced the fucking studs, bro. What a man.
everything's brand new. Yeah, stud.
Bro.
Stud here.
Bro.
Yeah.
Mad, lad. What are you running intercooler? Ooh.
Plasman.
Fuck, I should put that on the garage, lad.
Bro, this is like 1,000 horsepower rated Plasman. Bro, this all came with the car. It's $6 grand, bro. Got T56, everything. Bro, I got this car for an absolute steal, lad. The shell owes me nothing.
Yeah, bro. Wired the fucking boost controller backwards. Gotta make fucking 30 pounds per square inch, lad.
That's probably.
I'm joking. Oh yeah, you got the catch can set up, is it?
Yeah, catch can.
Yeah, no.
So that's why I'm getting the AN fittings.
Oh, it's a good upgrade, but bro, oh yeah, was it the same?
Oh, I did custom wiring harness, bro. Look, I did the car harness myself. Kind of tucked it all in, and then I run this. So this is not the FG rocker cover. I got to put it on. On the FG, the cable runs up here, so that's got to run up here, and then I've got the FG up. Well, wired these in the FG plugs.
Fucking quick builds with Danny D.
You like the harness styles, like a full wrap done and stuff.
Yeah.
Not bad, bro.
Yeah. Oh, it's got ABS, factory.
Wideband sensor.
Fucking hell, lad. You know, you fucking put a fucking thing in there and fucking put one in there, bros. What's he doing?
No, I took it off.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty clean.
Because I had to fix this up.
Hey guys, so I'm back now, back in the hotel, and I just thought to give like a little debrief wrap. Honestly, yeah, it was just to see my old mate Danny, and he's actually got a fair bit going on. He's actually a really, he's a smart dude, and he's pretty skilled with what he does, and I'm keen to see that car make 500 kilowatts. But long story short, the kind of reason for this video really was to kind of update you guys on what's happening with my car. So I ran into a bunch of problems in which were kind of sort of my fault, but at the same time, you know, things that weren't in my control really. So the first thing was that two of the pistons broke when they were trying to press the pins out at the engine shop, and a few people said, you know, they've never broken a piston, you know, they probably just didn't do it correctly or whatever. But realistically, bro, these types of things happen with a press type piston, and I'm not blaming anybody in particular, it's just unfortunate. But that did set the build back almost, you know, 15 weeks or so, because I had to order custom pistons from CP in the US, and it just took weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks before like I even received them. And what happened was I deglazed the bores with the machine shop on the engine, and what ended up happening was the pistons were a couple thou too small for the bore, and you know, it was J&J Precision, and they wanted it to be a precise fit, obviously. So I then had to get the pistons Cerakoted, and you know, that took another couple weeks to get done in Melbourne and all that kind of stuff. But basically, this week after I'm back from Brisbane, I'll be getting all the engine components. The head was done a few weeks ago, so everything's basically ready to go. I've got all the parts, we've got everything ready to go. So the next video will probably be sort of a background on building the engine and all that kind of stuff. So everything is coming along. It's just been a long, tedious process with engine machining and everything, because originally this was going to be a slap job, and it's no longer, you know, being a slap job, because I just realized like I couldn't make the boost that I wanted to with the rods that were in that motor, nor the pistons. It probably would have held up to 15 pounds of boost or whatever, but with the power that I ideally want to make, you know, it just wasn't going to happen. So now this is like a fully forged build, forged crank, forged rods, forged pistons. It's got proper racing piston rings. You know, it's going to have a fire ringed head gasket, everything like that. And essentially the budget Evo build has kind of gone completely out the window, realistically. But if you wanted to slap job the build that I'm doing together and not do any of the engine machining, you could probably easily make 250 kilowatts, but you know, I'm looking at close to the 300 kilowatt plus range. So I want it to be reliable, obviously, and that's not going to happen without, you know, the right components and all that kind of stuff too. Because Mitsubishi, that particular 4G69 NA model is just it's got piss weak rods and piss weak pistons, but essentially once the motor's together, it should be an absolute rocket ship. But just for now, I'm going to get the car running NA. So that'll be stage 1, get it running NA. I'm supposed to be going to Europe next year. So it depends. Fucking next door. I'm supposed to be going to Europe next year. So the idea was to get the car finished, but I had to wait almost 20 weeks for the pistons and stuff and the engine machining to get done. So it's kind of blown that idea kind of out the window. But at the same time, if the car's running and it's all good, I might look into getting the turbo manifold made and all that kind of stuff. And it would have to be stock, it would have to be custom, because no Evo stuff works because of my starter motor location and obviously the engine bay size and all that kind of stuff. So I've been working a lot in the background trying to get this sorted, but it's just been a long process. So I suppose that's an update. And yeah, I know it was a bit of a brief kind of random video, but I hope you guys like that update. And yeah, go check out Danny D's videos, and I've got plenty more videos explaining like the process of where we've gotten to now anyway. So feel free to check out one of the old videos. And yeah, Tommy B out. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging in. And yeah, if you are at the end of this video, I appreciate you, because yeah, you've stuck around this whole time. So cheers, guys. Tommy B out.